So, if you remember the last time we spoke about the symptoms, or rather, I asked you about the symptoms, and you said you would talk about it in our next program. So, I'm really curious, and so I'm sure our viewers to know what are the symptoms that one should look out for when we talk about diabetes.
Diabetes by itself is become a very threatening challenge to the whole the present humanity today, as you know. So, diabetes started hitting even the younger community. Even people who are getting into diabetes from the adulthood of 18 and all that. 20s and all that, there are a lot of people. And people who are of 30s of age, there are also huge numbers are coming in. And 40s, very high percentage. So, you are talking about as an individual, how am I to identify myself? Suppose I am turning into diabetic, what are the symptoms?
Right.
That's right.
Right.
So, one is that frequent thirst. Very frequently thirsty, go on drinking water. How much ever you drink, that's one of the major symptoms. Second is you eat your lunch or dinner, within half an hour you feel hungry. You follow?
Yeah.
Because the glucose is not getting distributed, you have eaten, but then the body overall cells are craving for glucose because they are not getting the glucose.
Right.
So again it reflects what is hunger. Hunger is something which is overall signals of the human cells because they want glucose for their drive,
Right.
for their energy tool. So it goes and gives signaling systems to the body, so that goes to the brain, and the brain give commands to the liver, and the liver starts the feel of hunger.
Right.
So even though you have eaten, but the glucose is not getting distributed, so you become hungry within half an hour. Just now you have eaten, within half an hour. You have eaten good also, but you feel hungry.
Right.
That's one. Then one more stuff is frequent urination. These are the three major symptoms with which you can identify there is something wrong with you. Basically, three things. One is frequent thirst.
Thirst, yes.
Second is getting hungry immediately after having your food. Third is frequent urination.
Okay.
Body try to show the symptoms, body is very clever, very intelligent.
Right.
They show the symptoms. These three parameters are there in case if you are experiencing these three parameters. You will know, I used to only urinate once in the morning, once in the evening, once in the night, but throughout the day, every 2 hours I'm urinating. So that is something wrong is going on. And how much ever you drink water, you don't juice, coffee, tea, keep on you feel like drinking something. And this hunger immediately after having food.
Right.
These are the three major symptoms with which you can immediately contact your medical facility close by and start monitoring your blood sugar levels. Definitely if these three are there, even one is there, you must quietly go and attend to it.
Okay.
Take the medical facilities help to find out where do you stand with your blood sugar levels. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.